by GDR. GDR underneath pass Hermano. Easy to. Hermano buena mano amigo. Underneath Gangore to big boy Binale. Binale.
Ano?
Yeah, nice ma'am. I very thank you. I really appreciate. Big boy for the rebound and nakalapak tae. Line violation. Miares 2. Underneath pass perimeter pull up. No good. Big rebound by Kauli. Kauli Altimoto Mantequilla, what a speed! Wow! Ang bilis ng batang to! Ang bilis! GDR again. Pass to perimeter. Back to Miares. Left-handed move. No good. Big rebound for Gangore. Gangore to Kauli. Altimo looking for a pass. Mantequilla. Wala. Big rebound by GDR. Continue by GDR. Dribbling the ball from underneath.
Time out. Kalapit lang yun. No, time out. Time out.
Reserve. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Kalapit lang yun. Time out.
Time out. Kauli. First time out for Kauli. Kada set, isa lang ang time out para may idea ka mo. Why na ka mo time out? Sa last quarter, 2.
Back to the ball game. Okay pa, drip lang yung score.
Okay. Mana. Caborno, underpass. Wala. Big rebound by Gangore to Mantequilla. Rushing away Mantequilla. Geo! Along. Inay lang. First personal foul by number 3, Gaborno. First attempt for Mantequilla. Yes. +1 for Kauli. Last throw. Gaborno again. Hindi ko galing ma-remember. Pull up by Gaborno. Big rebound goes to Kauli. Altimo. Altimo continue dribbling by Altimo. Pass to Mantequilla. Penetrate. Binale. Ang galing. Iyatanan score. Numero 22. Paul. 6 na score ya. 6-2 ang score. 4-point lead for Kauli. Yes. 7-2. Gaborno against Mantequilla. Cross. It's a foul. Numero 19. 4:17 remaining time. Gaborno again. To Miares, left-handed move. Wala. Big rebound by Gangore. Gangore, Altimo. Altimo dribbling the ball by Altimo. Still up, goes to Miares, save the ball to Gaborno. Gaborno continue from the middle underneath. Yes. Gangore pass break to Mantequilla. Against Gaborno, Miares 2-in-1. Easy the ball by Miares. Looking for a pass, Batiles. Up. Last touch by GDR. Score 4-7. 34 seconds. 34. Mantequilla again. 3:35 gali. Altimo. Wala. Big rebound by GDR. Gaborno quick pass to GDR. Hermano spin move. With the fake. Back to Pineda. Pineda underneath. Wala. Big rebound up. Three minutes, 17. Inbound by Gangore. Former J-Lord player. Mantequilla. Looking for a pass. Attempt perimeter. Wala. Second chance for Mantequilla. Outside, give the ball. Galing naman. Grabe ba?
Idol yung tira mo.
Naiambal ko tali. Galing, hindi ko lang pagpadayon. Miguaita. Hindi ko lang pagpadayon. Miguaita. Okay. I don't wanna hurt your feelings. Mantequilla. Pass to Baby Boy. Back to Gangore. Pull up. Wala. Big rebound by Miares. Miares continue dribbling the ball by Miares. Gaborno pull up. Yes. +2 for GDR. 9-6. Dribbling the ball. 2 minutes 10. Altimo. Get inside. Outside pass. Perimeter by Mantequilla. No good. Miares big rebound to Gaborno. Gaborno rushing by. Gaborno again. Wow.
Gaborno.
Pride of Suok Mandoriao.
Ato pag J-Lord.
Pride of Suok Mandoriao. Gaborno. 140. Mantequilla. Is it underneath? Yes. Gangore +2 for Kauli. 120. 1 minute and 20 remaining time for the first set. Ano, Meg?
Basket time out. Ang GDR. Ang GDR. Kasala mo dyan.
Another pass to Kauli. Wala. Big rebound by 1 minute. Quick pass again. Still by Mantequilla. Mantequilla wide open. No good. Big rebound by Kauli. Turn around by Kauli. Kauli again. Up. Rebound by Baby Boy. 10 to shoot. Wow! Inulit pa GDR. 40 segundos. Hermano to numero 32. Hermano continue kinaliwa pa. 30 seconds. Mantequilla to Gangore. Underneath pass to Baby Boy. Baby Boy kinuhot. Wala. Big rebound to GDR. GDR again. Pass to Miares. 15 segundos. Miares. Behind the legs. Kinaliwa. 10. Big rebound by Gangore. 5 seconds. Mantequilla wide open. Okay. No good. Hindi, kadalagan mo. Advance mo. Puro banta lang na. Okay. End of the first set.
Score 10-11.
10-11. Ready for the second set.
Back to the ball game. 4. Ano may mga bisita na abot to?
Kaban.
May naabot mag-guess to?
Alang-alang mo ni mag-utan kay may distik. Play, padayon.
Bakod ba? Yung lain nyo, pink.
GDR.
Bakod yun, di ba gise? Ay, plus na. Ay, wala.
Underneath pass. Wala.
Ang alaga to. Ang alaga.
Ay, ikaw mga pasatan dito?
Why na yan? Balabada mo.
Ay, Dax na nga rolls yan.
Araw ay doon na. Speak doon! Wala linda!
Dax! Out! Dax!
Ara na!
Bilyones. Underneath pass. Wala. Ano? Calcena penetrate. Calcena. Pass to. Yes! Simple lang, pero short. Plus 2, 4. GDR. Bilyones again. All the nine. Okay. Inbound by Kauli. Penetrate to Espinosa. It's a foul.
25. First foul.
First foul, 25.
Guba na damon niya sa stando Sinipa.
Bilyones again. Against Calcena. Bilyones cross. Out of bounds. Ang layo ng pasa. Calcena again. Protect the ball. Harassing by Penuela. Calcena protect the ball. Harassing by Penuela. Penetrate by Calcena. By my idol. 10 to shoot. Underneath pass. Yes. Simple lang. Go touch it. Pass break by Kauli. Penuela against Calcena. Gilos. Espinosa. Pull up. Up.
Black, there's a foul.
Black. It's a foul.
25 seconds.
25 seconds.
25 second foul.
25 second foul.
5 minutes 22.
5:22.
Remaining.
5:22 remaining.
Home na.
Dito lang. Guhom ka na.
Ginatawag na ko yan. Yagi, napatak. Second game lang eh. May duwa pa game.
Third game na.
Ikapat naman lang game.
Yes.
Single play mo, di ba?
Oo, single.
Calcena again. Against Penuela. Harassing by Penuela.
Okay, madamo.
Touchy power move. Wala. Continue by GDR. Gadano. Unang tira.
3-0.
Gadano.
Score? Duwat.
Wala.
Ano pala? Ako nangyari ko dyan sa live yaho. Ikaw din ano. Oy nang bala lang. Mga pinalang.
Yes, pangalawang tira, pasok. Isa lang, ikadua, pasok. Uy!
Madami kompleto ng mga banner nila.
Gilos, katalikod si Gilos. Calcena against Pineda. Rushing by Pineda, Calcena. Calcena underneath. Oh! It's a foul. Second foul, 5-6.
Tama ka na.
Kung magsulod lang, magsulod. Bonus shot for Guachi. Wala. Second chance by Guachi. It's time out.
Taras matas.
Kauli, time out. Remaining time, 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Ulian, tanis mo na.
4 minutes.
Bakit na?
Oh.
Aligo naman.
Ay, ikaw pa maligo.
Je, karon naman to, Je. Kay gao to.
To Adaman. Big rebound by Calcena. Calcena against Pinuela. Calcena. Doble tres. Personal foul. Pigin man. Yun so. Samong pato. Ya boy mayo pasi matuslo ka.
Ari din ako dalom. Ari din mas.
Calcena. Get inside by Calcena. Wow! Big rebound to GDR. Rebound by second chance by GDR. Sibay. Sibay to Coche to Calcena. Big rebound. Ball possession for Kauli. Billones to Espinosa. Espinosa again Calcena. Cross by Espinosa. Turn around by Espinosa. Steal by Calcena. Calcena protect the ball. Ibay. Sibay. Penetrate by Sibay. Op. Pinahinay lang ha. Basi maguba ang imumout. Pineda. Wow! Time out. Hinay lang. Basi basay lubag ang vlog. Hinay lang. Basi ang panguna masaylo sa pag-ang vlog. Time remaining, 2:40. One of the biggest operator of Panay.
Live bro.
Involved by Sibay. Sibay looking for a pass. Still by Billones to Pineda. Trying to get inside. No good. Big rebound by Calcena to Sibay. Sibay rushing away. Sibay again. Billones to Coche. Pass to Sibay again. Continue. No good. Big rebound to Coche. It's a block. Rebound by Kauli. Billones again. Billones trying to get inside. Wala.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds. 1:38. 1 minute and 38. Abansiman Japon ang Espinosa underneath. Yes. It's a mismatch for Espinosa. Calcena. Oh. Is a last touch. 1:27. 1:27. Remaining time for the second set. Inbound by Pineda to Espinosa. Pull up. No good. Oh. Last touch by Espinosa. Ball possession for GDR. Oh, Qualis na may. Dasig ba? Qualis 17. Ang bilis ng pangyayari. Sibay to Calcena. Calcena looking for a pass. Sibay again. Underneath. Ang ganda ng pasa. Big boy penetrate. Underneath. No good. Oop. 1 minute. Same ball. Calcena. Ganda no. Underneath. for GDR. 50 seconds. Pinuela against Goche. Pinuela to Calcena. Looking for a pass. Pineda to Gadarin. Gadarin get inside by Gadarin. Oh! Isa traveling. 31 seconds.
Kailangan lang tapusan. Para stay focus.
Gachi. 30 segundos. Sibay cross. Wow! Ga-crossover. Sibay to Calcena. 25. Calcena continue. Calcena. Underneath. Oy! Kanugon. 19. Taman ka dasig si Sibay ka. Hapaon.
Tama tao.
Espinosa against Sibay. 15. Wow! What a smooth 10! Sibay again. 5! Oh! 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Remaining 3 seconds. No more time. And for the second set. Automatically,
Back to
Tasig.
third set.
Penetrate. Up. Kauli again for the second chance. Back to DIY. Wala. Big rebound by Goche. Protect the ball by Goche.
Ay, waya.
GDR. Dribbling the ball. 0-0-1 to Calcena. Wide open. Wala. Big rebound by Windham. Windham to Kauli. Kantor. Underneath pass. Binali. Yes! Binali ni Yoyo. Binali. Plus 2. Numero 10. 27. Bonus shot for Kauli. DY, bonus shot. Wala. Big rebound to Goche. Oh. Miyares. Windham. Spin move. Yes. Easy to by Windham. 0-0-1. Dribbling the ball. Estrella. Sibay. Back to Calcena. Wide open. Wala. Big rebound to Goche. Rebound by Kantor. Protect the ball by Kantor. Pass to Jersey. Banag. Underneath pass. Up. Still by Sibay. Quick pass to Quache. Alone. Wala. Another second chance. 4-0-0-1. Wala pa rin. Banag for the rebound. Kauli. Kauli underneath pass.
Windham. Oh.
Up. Windham.
Sakit ng ipon niya gila eh.
Unang tira.
1929.
Wase. Yes. Plus 1 for Kauli. 30-19. Calcena again. Get inside. Up. Still. Last touch by Calcena.
Kundi ikaw lamang hiling.
Kantor.
Anton.
DY.
TY. Area TY.
Fuentes to Windham underneath. Big rebound.
Singot-singot. Pay sa vlog.
Hindi ko tari na.
Oh, mali mo yung nakagani. Yung lulay siya. Kita mo yung ito lang.
GDR. Sibay. Pass to BRS turnaround wide. Big rebound to Windham. To Banaag. Banaag against Sibay. Pass to Baby Boy. Baby Boy. Pass to Kantor. Penetrate. Ang ganda naman ng side step na yun. What a pass by Kantor. Estrella to Sibay. Sibay again. Underneath pass. Calcena penetrate. Yes. 21-32. Abansigya po ang Kauli. Fuentes get inside. Wow. Kinaliwa pa. Si Fuentes. 2 points for Kauli. Sibay again. Sibay. Up. Sibay. Oh!
Inay.
Inay ba? Inay ba? Inay. Inay lang, inay lang.
Inay. Inay ah. Okay ka lang.
Flexible na si Sibay yan. Hindi mo naman ano yan. Flexible na yan. Estrella. Wow. Pull up jump. Easy to by Estrella. Flexible na si Idol yan. Hindi mo naman ano yan. Android na yan. Wala na ba siya
Dragon Ball na ha?
Kantor to DY. DY penetrate. Oh. Dos sa S. Okay. Basket sa... Uy! What a pass! Ang ganda ng pasa. Taman ka namin. Estrella against Banag. 1v1. Underneath by Sibay. Sibay. Wala. Big rebound. Miyares. Big rebound to. Oh, Fuentes again. Fuentes dribbling the ball. Oh, still. Andoon si Calcena. Calcena looking for a pass. Underneath by Sibay. Sibay pass to Coche. Wala. Sibay again. Oh. 1 minute 31.
Time out.
Time out. GDR. 23-34. 23-34.
Back to the ball game. Reload na rin. Atop ka ga, reload ka.
Okay. Calcena. Laban eh. Estel by Gucci, ginagawa sang lollipop. Windham to DY.
Lollipop pa.
DY penetrate by DY Estrella. Cantor underneath. Fuentes. Wala pa rin. Second chance by Fuentes.
Ito, wala mo na ako.
Sabagay.
Ito, wala ka na.
Fuentes again. Ay, kabos. 1 minute 5. Second throw by Fuentes. Estrella to Calcena. Oh, pinay lang, inay.
Hinay lang.
Inay lang. Kung madus mo ka, inay lang. Second foul by Fuentes. Inbound by Sibay to Calcena. 45 seconds. Cross over by Calcena. Kinanan. Wow! What a move. Ara gali. Aba nyo wala. Cantor. Banag. To Fuentes. 30 segundos. Wow! Crossover by Fuentes. Still. By Chinko. Bago lang ko gagawa. Mga gagawa. Ano gali sa TV eh. Estrella. Still by Windham. 20. Windham get inside. No good. Big rebound by Julian. 15. Calcena the ball. Continue by Calcena. 10 against Banag. Pick and roll. Wala. Big rebound by Park. Why na? Ambal ko. Park. Park. Okay.
Back to the ball game. Third set. Third set na third set.
Last na bro about.
Oh, hindi makig.
Mo ya sa lang ako naka-live.
Why pa?
Hindi na
Why pa?
Hindi na pwede ma-cancel.
Guys, last quarter na ni guys. Ano to ba ano na nila? Oop.
Continue by 21. Looking for a pass. Back to Hermano Pe. Get inside. Perimeter. Doble dos. No good. Big rebound to Garbano. Wala. Gangore for the rebound. Mantequilla. Looking for a pass by Mantequilla. Underneath pa. Oop. Mijares for the rebound. Garbarno alone. Whoop. There's a whistle.
Foul committed by
Committed foul by Montequilla.
10, 16. First time.
First personal foul. 2 bonus shot for Garbarno. Unang tira. Yes. +1 for GDR. Ready for rebound, second throw, ready. Pangalawang tira, wala. Rebound goes to last touch by Kauli. Same ball. Ball position for GDR.
Dax may orasyon ay.
Garbarno again. Underneath. Oh, traveler na naman.
Ito si Bimbo, tsura.
Stone Cold na mo sa wrestling.
Stone Cold na.
Oo.
Mantequilla, 2 manay. Oh, ari
Stone
ka.
Cold yaman. Okay.
26-35.
Stone Cold.
From the middle, Espinosa. Back to Mantequilla. Wide open shoot. No good. Rebound by GDR. Pass break to Mijares. Mijares to Garbarno. Garbarno against Mantequilla. Garbarno to continue. 2 points for Garbarno. Manaay. Pass to Espinosa. Get inside. Oh. Offensive foul. Offensive committed by numero 29. First personal foul. Score 28-35. Garbarno again to the middle. Mijares no good. Big rebound. Second chance. Mijares. Yes. Iya tira. Iya rebound. Iya tanan. Only one player on this court. Mantequilla. Underneath pass. Alley-oop by Gangore. Espinosa. Big rebound to Gangore. Gangore again. Continue up.
Saba. Sulod.
Pasok. Isa foul. Numero 7. Mijares. Meg Manaay, my friend. Ganit lain no?
Kalapit dire lang sa table.
Ang bayo lang aton nga i-honor eh.
11:42 daw.
Pangalawang tira, Gangore from J-Lord. Yes! Pasok! Isa lang. Isa lang ng sunod rep, no? Isa lang, no?
11:40.
Garbarno. Oop! Still by Mantequilla. Mantequilla nagmamadali. To Espinosa from the middle. Dilakad. Wala. Second chance for... Yes! Fuentes for the second chance. Doble dos. Pineda to Garbarno. Garbarno against Fuentes. Garbarno again. Turn around. Up. Another foul for Fuentes. 0-2.
Tatlo pa lang.
Tatlo ka pa lang.
Gabag na.
Inbound by doble dos. To Garbarno. Back to doble dos. Attempt. Wala. Big rebound to GDR. Still by Kauli. Up. Alerto si Garbarno. Alerto for the steal. Continue the ball by Garbarno cross. Penetrate. To Mijares. Wala. Big rebound to Fuentes. Up. Overspeeding. Namin tanay kung may gaunan niyo. Galing isa ka lang. Pineda. Pineda again. Wide open. Pineda. Get inside. Underneath. Mijares. Yes. plus 2 for GDR. Another prospecto, Montequilla against Gaborno, penetrate. Wala. Big rebound to GDR. Double toss. Continue by double toss. Looking for a pass, Pineda to W by T1 against Gangore. Oh, matik ala. Pineda, double toss fake, penetrate. 10 to shoot, Mijares for the perimeter. No good. Big rebound goes to Espinosa. To Gangore. Gangore to Montequilla. Pass break to underneath. Pineda to Winda. What a big boy. Wala. Rebound by GDR. Gaborno to Pineda. Again Espinosa. Gangore, Pineda. Underneath. Mijares. Oh, it's a block. Very clear. Montequilla continue dribbling the ball. Espinosa, Pineda, underneath. Windham to Pineda to Montequilla, underneath. Espinosa.
Kanta lang din sa
Reserve. Matay mo ka ma? O reserve lang.
Kanta lang stable ah.
Gaborno again. Underneath pass by Mijares. Against Espinosa. Wala. Big rebound to Pineda. Wala pa rin. Big rebound. Oh! Is a call by referee. Offensive foul. Very clear. Time out. Time out. Kauli.
Una sila di una.
May time out. Biguay ta.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Pasok. Hindi mo ya, pasok ah. Gadi rin, to Pineda. Oras, 8:35.
8:35.
Is brought to you by Momoped and J-Lord. Up! Still by Mijares. Still by Espinosa. Penetrate. Pingiol. Up! Last touch. Ball position for GD. Time, 8:23. Inbound by Mijares. Gina daw ka buring. Doon nagdami ang panglao, no? Gula tuyo ko bla. Nangapi ko mo. Calcena against Pineda. Todo 21 attempt. No good. Big rebound off. Last touch for Windham. Mijares for the inbound. Looking for a pass, Gaborno. Perimeter, get inside. Wala. Big rebound goes to GDR again. Gaborno. Turn around by Gaborno. Get inside. Pull up by Doble. Dos. P. Doble dos. GDR. Pineda. 2 por 2. Oh, may Pineda man sa piya ko. Pinuela to gali. Kauli underneath. Gadarin. Wow. Plus 2 for Kauli. Calcena to Gaborno. Pass to what a teamwork. Ang ganda ng basahan naman nun. Calcena to Gaborno. Gaborno to Calcena. Easy to. Penuela. Easy the ball. Looking for a pass. Back to Windham. Windham underneath. Gangore. From the middle. Espinosa. Wala. Sulod sub. Pasok.
Sab.
Sulod sub.
May laban siya.
DY Porta coming in. Unang tira Espinosa. Wala. Time remaining 6 minutes and 3 seconds. 3 minutes. Aban si Japon. 36-42. 8 plus 1 for Kauli. 43. Gaborno continue Dribbling the ball. Calcena wide open. Looking for Hermano. Get inside. Wala. Big rebound by Pineda. It's a foul. Kita sang referee. Inbound by Kauli to Penuela. Penuela is the ball by Penuela against Doblidos. Pick and roll by Gadarin. Rushing by Doblidos. Gadarin trying to get inside. Yes! Aba, simple lang ha. May galaw ka. Hermano continue against Penuela. Oh! Counted foul for GDR. Second foul, doble tres, Penuela. Bonus shot for Hermano. Final throw, ready for rebound. Wala. Rebound goes to Gadarin. Gadarin looking for a pass. Penuela protect the ball. Pick and roll by Espinosa. Penuela to Espinosa. Oh, another foul. Underneath. Oh. Inbound by Kauli. Diwa, 5 minutes 10. Rebound by Calcena to Pineda. Pineda to Hermano against DY. Behind the legs. Pull up. Yes!
21.
Hermano. Galing. Kaklik na galing. Ang bangla, oh. Galing. Pila pa na eh. 5 na lang, oh. 40, 45. Espinosa against Miares. Espinosa get inside. Running shot. Wala. Big rebound goes to last touch by Kauli. Ball possession, same ball. Time. 4:37, 4 minutes. Inbound by Kauli. Underneath by Espinosa. Yes! 2 points for Espinosa. Plus 2 for Kauli. Pinuela to Caborno. To Calcena. Calcena to Doblidos. Wala. Big rebound to Espinosa. Up. Another foul. 47-40. Remaining time. 4 minutes. 18 segundos. 4 minutes. Sub. Pasok. Pasok. 4 minutes. 18 segundos. Aban si Gapon ang Kauli, 7. Daw matibay ang Kauli, ha? Daw delikado, ha? Montequilla Espinosa to DY penetrate. Wow! Ang ganda naman ng ano. Oh! Euro step, middle step. Sayang. Still, Calcena. 3 minutos, 50 segundos. Gaborno to Calcena. Continue. Wala.
Bata, gampang.
Inbound by Miares. To Gaborno. Wala. Big rebound by Windham. Protect the ball. Pinuela and Mantequilla underneath. Uy, sayang. Sub. Pasok. Ready for the next game. Atok versus J-Lord. One of the 2 teams strongest of this league. Calcena attempt. Uy, kanugol. Nagwa pa. Espinosa to Puentes. Puentes to Penuela. Penuela searching for a pass. Using the time. Mantequilla again. Mantequilla trying to get inside. Wide open by Penuela. Wala. Big rebound for GDR. To Gaborno again. Puentes. Hinintay pa. Pull up. Wala. Big rebound Doblidos. Ang galing naman. Plus 1. Basket count. 42. 47. Plus 2 for GDR.
Maximola.
Bonus shot for Pineda. Final throw. Ready for rebound. We will see what will happen. Waiting for the Mintes. Last throw. Wala. Up. Naluoy pa. Basket count.
Foul away from the ball. Basket count. Foul away from the ball.
Foul away from the ball.
Foul.
Basket count.
Foul away from the ball.
Away from the ball.
0-2.
Mantequilla again. 2 and 40. Fuentes. Wala. Big rebound by Miares. Looking for a pass. Gaborno. Gaborno looking for a pass against Vinuela. Cross. Gaborno continue underneath. Wow! Ang galing naman. Ni Yoyo Binali. Tinago ang bola. Plus 2 for Gideal. 2-20. 2-20. 2-20. 45-47. Dua na lang. Mantequilla to Espinosa. Trying to get inside. Back to Mantequilla. Wide open. Wow! Pamatay sunog. Mag-dead ball lang. Mag-dead ball. 3 points from Mantequilla. Gaborno to Calcel. Oy! Very clear. Very clear. Sub. Next time. Dribble anay. Antistikang. Ang time, 1:48. 1:48. Inbound by Fuentes.
Laro, no?
Mantequilla to Espinosa. Against Calcena. Oo. Mantequilla again. 10 to shot. Mantequilla. Yes! Time out. GDR. Plus 2 again for Kaule. 5-point lead. Back to 5-point lead for Kaule.
Score. Score.
1:29. Ara na.
47,
Lapit na
52.
lang. 1 minute and 29.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. 5-point lead for Kauli. 1:29. 1 minute 29. 1 minute 29. Inbound by GDR. Doble dos. Pass to Gaborno. Harassing by Fuentes. Gaborno. 10 to shoot. Calcena. Penetrate. Up. It's a foul. 1:19. 1:19 remaining time. Penalty, why ba? Oh, wala pa.
2 fouls to give.
2 fouls to give. 4. Inbound by Miares. Looking for a pass. From the baseline, 21. Wala. Big rebound by Calcena. Pero may dagalapak, may gaw. May ano na naman? Mariit na da.
Tunay lang, Antonio.
Mantequilla, 1 and 5. Mantequilla dribbling the ball. 1 minute. Pick and roll. Oh! Illegal screen. 0-2. 50, pila na? 56 seconds. 4 foul number 0-2. 56. 56 segundos. Miares to Gaborno. 50. Miares, another attempt from the baseline.
Yes! 3 points.
3 points for numero 21. Inbound by Espinosa. Cantor. Oh, another foul by Calcena. 43. 52-50. Inbound by Gangore. Mantequilla against Dublidos. What a speed by Mantequilla. Wow! Hindi kaya. 36 seconds. 36. 1 and for delaying the game. Number 16. Inbound by Dublidos. Gaborno. Pass break. Another attempt!
Foul!
Wala. 30. Big rebound by numero 10. 29. Remaining time. 29. Cantor. Inbound by Cantor. 25. Gangore to Mantequilla. What a speed, Mantequilla. 20. Get inside. Oh! Umano yung delicates niya yan. Warning! For penalty, 18 segundos. Espinosa, yes! Napakaraw. Pa budlay-budlay na buton. It's a foul counted. +1 for bonus shot. Wala. Big rebound by Calcina. 15! Paso ka por no. 10!
Patay!
Calcina, 10! Wala. 5!
Kaden!
Neres. 4!
4!
No more time. Hindi kaya. Kumulaps ang GD.